like an IV. Like an IV.
Hey, what's up everyone? And today I'm gonna show you how to easily install presets into your Adobe Lightroom Classic. First, you're gonna open your application. Make sure you are in the Develop tab where your photos have been imported. Then go to the Presets tab at your left portion. Click the arrow down and it will show you your existing presets. But in my case, it will show you my presets that I've been working on. So then, click the plus icon, click Import Presets, choose which one you would like to use and click Import. But for the sake of this session, we will click Ctrl A in Windows or Command A in Mac through the keyboard to select all the presets and then click Import. And here you'll see the imported presets and you may now enjoy enhancing your images. And that's how you install presets at the Adobe Lightroom Classic. Please don't forget to like and subscribe Gigabyte Cinema for more videos. I have also included here the link for your free Lightroom presets. Feel free to download and try them on, and if you are happy using it, you may buy it through the link in the description box below. Thank you!